Hi Darkroom friends, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this quick video I want to cover a question that I get asked every once in a while regarding using a mask with green screen. This specifically comes around at Christmas time whenever people are trying to fit a green screen image into a shape like a circle or an ornament. So let's jump right into my computer and see how this is done. Okay, so I have a green screen image. I'm going to go ahead and pull up my template, and you'll see that right here it doesn't fit in. I kind of shrink it down a little bit, but we still have this hard edge right here. And what we want to do is want to make sure it looks like as if she's inside of the ornament. So let's switch over to our templates, and you can see I have this green screen object. If I try to change it to a predefined mask, it's no longer green screen. So the workaround for this is to take your background graphic and pull it into Photoshop. And let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop. And I can take my background graphic and I'm going to just duplicate it so it's no longer a background graphic. And then I'm going to draw a circle and get it as close as I can to the shape of the ornament, and then delete that. And you can go through and do additional Photoshop options to do some feathering so it's not such a hard edge, which I've done using this graphic right here. You can see it's a much softer edge, and then you're going to save it as a PNG with transparency. You should see this checkerboard pattern in your graphic, so save it as a PNG, and then we'll switch back to Darkroom and add a graphic, and should have it saved right here. I want to make sure my text is on top of that. Okay, and now we'll save the changes when we switch to our photo workshop. It'll now update, and we can see we have our green screen image with that circular shape for the image box. And we drop in another image of my son, and we have the same thing there. And because he kind of cropped at the top, we'll go ahead and push that to the top so it looks like as if he's in there and nothing's being cut off. So that's how you would add a mask. We're actually hiding the image behind it without using a predefined mask to a green screen image. And the same would apply for Darkroom Booth. So I'll go ahead and save this template as an XBDR, and you can download it and use it for your next event. It'll be available on darkroomsupport.com in the article for this video. And more than likely this will be the last video before Christmas, so I want to wish you from our Darkroom family to yours a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.